determination of mode required one step more than that used in case of discrete series by using the following formula, that is Z equals to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So here L1 stand for your lower limit of chosen interval, F1 stand for corresponding frequencies, F0 stand for just preceding frequency, F2 stand for just succeeding frequencies, and I stand for internal magnitude or your common factors. So if you finish this one, just drop a text message in chat box. Then we'll proceed for the calculation of some example. Okay, fine. Okay. Shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this case, here continuous series is given. That is, in case of X column, 0 to 10, the respective frequency is 5, then 10 to 20, frequency is 7, 20 to 30, frequency is 10, 30 to 40, frequency is 7, 40 to 50, frequency is 5, and 50 to 60, the frequency is 3. Just note down all data, then we'll proceed to solve that one. You are already calculating the value. Okay, fine, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's wait for other. So before solving this one, first we go to calculate the different value like L1, your F0 value, your F1 value, and F2 value. In this case, the most the highest frequency is belong to 20 and 30. That means in case of calculating the lower limit, L1 equals to your 20. I repeat, from the given variable and frequency table, you find 20, 30 belongs to highest number of frequency variables. That's why this particular interval is chosen, and in this particular interval, the value of L1 equals to 20, and 20 belongs to the lower limit, and 30 belongs to higher limit. In this case, L1 equals to 20, and the corresponding frequency is equal to your 10, that is the value of F1, and the preceding frequency, that means the 7 belong to F0, and the succeeding frequency, that is 7, that equals to F1. So we have all the values starting from L1, F0, F1, and F2. By getting the all value, you can put in the formula. I'll show that particular. So here the L1 equals, I just write here L1 equals to your 20, that is the lower limit from the chosen interval, and the corresponding frequency equals to 10. Similarly, F0 stands for 7. Next one is the succeeding frequency, that is frequency after the corresponding frequency, that equals to also 7. And in case of your common factor or internal magnitude, that equals to 10. Now you can calculate the mode using the above formula, that is L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into your common factor I. I will call one by one. Take Abdul Aziz. What is your answer? Okay, good. Samir Ranjan Mohanty. Suraj Kumar Das. What is your answer?
Yes, sir. 25.
Okay, 20. Subhalakshmi Rao 25. Simran Das 25. Murthy Sikha Parida 25. Srimay Patra 25. The next is Shubham Pradhan 25. Okay. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is an example for you. Following is the frequency distribution of yearly expenditure of 60 families. So we have the expenditure in thousand of rupees. That is 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and 75 to 75. And the last one is 75 to 80. And the respective frequency are given 3, 8, 14, 20, 16, and 2 respectively. Calculate the mode. Calculate the mode. So which have higher frequencies from the given chosen interval? Okay, that is 68. Answer, you can calculate answer. Good. Suhana Patnaik, are you there? What is your answer?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 68.
Okay, Subham. Suhana, what is your answer?
Sir, I was calculating, sir.
Okay, fine. Sushil Sahu, are you there? Sushil Sahu. Swagatika Sahu. Tufan Kumar Bholo, what is your answer?
Sir, calculate, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Sheikh Abdul Aziz, okay. Sitam Bera, okay. Somaranjan Manti, correct. Somaranjan Das, correct. Simai Patra, correct. Subhasri Soran, correct. I will write here one by one. If you go to this one, which has the highest frequencies? 14. In this case,
20, sir.
this one is, sorry, 2020, not 14. Just a minute. Okay, 20 is the highest number of frequency here, and that belongs to 65 to 70. So what is your lower limit? Lower limit is 65.
65.
Okay, I write here. Lower limit is 65. And what is the frequency? Frequency is 20 here. So what is the preceding frequency? Preceding frequency is 14 here. That equals to 14. What is the succeeding frequency? That equals to what?
16. 16.
It is 16 here. After that, corresponding frequency. And what is the common factor here?
5.
5.
Common factor is 5. If you calculate this one, you get the answer 68. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Moving to the next method. This is the third method, that is the method of graph. So this method of locating the mode is suitable in case of frequency distribution. I repeat, this method of locating the mode is suitable in case of frequency distribution of continuous nature. Under this method, a particular histogram is drawn with given class interval and their frequencies. So here is a typical example of number of students versus their marks. And in case of X variable, we have 0, 5, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and 20 to 25. And similarly, the marks range are 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 34, sorry, 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, and again 50 to 60, and last one is 60 to 70 are given. By use of histogram, what will happen? Or you can say in case of graph paper, you can draw this variable along with their frequencies. And finally, after getting the mid value, that means that mid value will be appear in between 30 to 40. So after getting the mid value, or calculating the mid value or locating the mid value, by the help of scale, you can draw the mid value, and that mid value should be your 35. So this type of examples are basically drawn through the graph papers. And from that graph paper, you have to identify the central line where the mode is located. And that's belong to your method of graph. Moving to the next one. Any doubt from this particular method? Anyone?
सर इसमें कैलकुलेट कैसे करते हैं फिर?
There is no calculation. By the help of histogram, you can draw that particular chart. But basically,
No, we need to we need to ये तो मोड ना, like मोड चूज करना है ना इसमें.
in this
मोड
case,
कौन सा?
as per the frequencies. Suppose here the highest frequency is given 25.
Yes, sir.
Clear? That 25 belong to 30 and 40.
Okay.
Okay. And by the help of scale, you can draw or cross it of different
Oh,
mode.
okay,
You
sir.
can get the central location. That is the value of mode.
Okay.
Basically, these are drawn through the graph papers. Clear? This type of question will never appear in case of your semester exams. Because this should be known from your kind concern in case of calculation of mode. Then moving to the last method. This is known as method of empirical relations. So first, you have to write down the formula, that is mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. I repeat, mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. If you go to the other formula, that is mode equals to mean minus 3 into mean minus median, or if you calculate the median, in that case, the median equals to z plus 2 by 3 into mean minus mode. So just write down the formula, then we'll proceed to calculate some example. Is it finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Move to the example. Calculate the median when the mean and mode of distribution are 38.6 and 32.6 respectively. I repeat, calculate the median when the mean and mode of distribution are given, that is 38.6 for the mean and 32.6 for the mode. So which formula you apply here? Which one?
So the median formula,
Median formula.
Last
Z
one.
plus
One.
Plus
median
2
last.
divided by
mode.
3
Exactly, the
into
last one. You can use the last one, that is median equals to Z plus 2 by 3 into x, that is mean minus mode. Just calculate.
Question, please.
Done, sir.
What is your answer?
So 36.6.
36.6 is the right answer. Those who not finish can check their answer. Sorry, that is not Z, that is median. I call some students. Suchi Samal, what is your answer?
36.54.
You can check correctly or calculate correctly. Topan Kumar Bholo.
Yes, sir. 36.6.
Good. Suraj Kumar Das. Okay, Swapna Nijana, Soumya Pratkara.
Calculating, sir.
6.6.
Okay. Subham Tawang, what is your answer? Smriti Ranjan is correct.
Sir, calculating.
Do it very fast because we have to proceed for the next one. Subham Agarwal, what is your answer?
Sir, 36.6, sir.
Good, good. Subham Pradhan,
36.6.
Subhasis Swai, okay, correct. Swana Officer, that is correct. Subhasis Swai, what is your answer?
Calculating, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. So how we got that 36.6? Can you explain me, sir?
Okay, let's see here. What is the value of mode? 32.6.
Yes, sir.
If you divide 2 by 3, what is your answer?
38.6 minus 32.6.
No, it's for the formula. If you divide by 2 by 3,
So
Sir,
0.6.
1.2 sir.
0
0.6.
point, how much?
Sir, 1.
0.6.
Sir,
Divide 2 by 3.
32.6 plus 4, sir.
36. I will show that one.
Formula.
Okay. I show the formula.
Okay, sir.
Here mean is given how much?
38.6
38.6
minus
minus
32.6.
32.6.
32.6.
Yes.
Okay. If you simplify this one, what is your answer? That means 32.6
Plus
6
4.
plus 0.6 into how much?
6.
6. That equals to how much? 36.6. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Move to next one.
Which formula you are applying this?
This one, though, sir, you are not writing the formula. Better you write the faster. You write the formula. Median equals to z plus 2 by 3 into
Okay.
x minus z. Here
Sir,
z value,
sir,
that is mode is given. Yes.
sir, it is z plus 2 whole by 3 into x bar minus z.
2 by 3 into whole into mean minus mode.
So ये तो हुआ ना 32 plus 6 plus 2 by 3 into
Or if
38.6.
you if you simplify 2 by 3, what is your answer? 0.6.
No, sir, he is saying that 2 whole by 3. He is saying, sir.
2 whole by 3.
Sir, formula is z plus 2 whole by 3 into x bar minus z.
Formula is z plus 2 by 3 whole into z minus x bar minus z.
But x bar minus z will be the numerator part. Right?
Z belongs to your mode. X bar belongs to mean. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is difficult to write in case of virtual way. Clear? There is some mathematical table should be required in case of PowerPoint presentation. Clear? Moving to the next one. Try to solve next one. Here, for a given set of value of variable, the mean and mode are 28.16 and 24. Calculate the median.
Sir, question please.
Yes. For a given set of value of variable, the mean and mode are, that is 28.16 and 24. Calculate the median.
Done, sir.
You can drop the answer in chat box. Those who have finished, just drop a text on chat box. Okay, 26.77, 26.77. Subhav Tama, you have need to calculate properly. Your answer is wrong. It is 26.77 is the correct answer. Okay, Sangeeta Sahu, fine. Sheikh Aziz, Shivani Padi, Suhana Misra, fine. Sitam Bera, just a minute. Okay, what is the value of Z here?
Sir, 24.
24 plus, if you do 2 by 3, that is 0.6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Multiply with, your mean is given 28.16
0.16.
minus 24.
24.
Okay. If you simplify other manner, that is 24 plus 0.6 into, so how much?
4.1.
4.16.
4.16.
4.16. That equals to 26.77.
Sir,
Yes.
496 is correct.
496.
No,
Just a minute, I will calculate.
26.77.
0.6 into your 4.16. That equals to 2.496
Yes, sir.
plus your 24.
24.
That is
26.4.
26.496. I
Sir, no,
repeat,
sir.
24.
Sir, it's 26.77.
How? Prove it.
Or you can use a number of 0.666 like this. Oh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, that's why that is 20.6. He is taking more 6 in case of instead of 0.6. Here.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a particular example for you. If you go to calculate this one, just note down. Okay, I will send this one for in your mail for your homework. Okay, I write here. This is this one for your homework. Now people are already done this one. Okay, move to the next one. Just a minute. I'll share another PPT.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I had a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in method of inspection, if if mode, I mean frequency are same in two numbers, then what to do?
In this case, you can use grouping method.
Okay, मतलब inspection method में नहीं हो सकता वो.
No, no, that is not done by inspection method. In that case, suppose you are going to purchase, for example, some FMCG product, and
Okay.
you frequently purchase two product in a higher frequency manner. That will be purchased 2 times, 3 times. In this case, or you directly go to in case of inspection method. Suppose you are seen or you are calculating the male and female ratio. We found that in case of male and female ratio, the frequency are equal. In this case, if you found the frequency are same or higher side, in this case you can using the grouping methods.
Okay.
As far as concerned, yes, proceed.
ओके सर. और ऐसे अगर नॉर्मल होगा लाइक इनकम मतलब ऐसे लिखा होगा लाइक उसमें से जो ज्यादा नंबर वाला आएगा लाइक इफ वी आर द लार्जेस्ट नंबर 32 देन इट शुड बी 32.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay sir, thank you.
Okay. So next we have a different kind of problem. Just note down missing frequency problem.
Sir, the homework that you have given, sir, that is assignment, sir.
That should be considered assignment. I will send through after this class. I will send through the mail.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is a different kind of problem, especially related to measurement of central tendency, and this type of question will be appear in a case of your semester exams. So just make a star mark on this type of numerical. Suppose we have x variable that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and their respective frequencies are missing. In case of 2, that is 3 is there. In case of 4, we don't know the value. In case of 6, the frequency is also missing. In case of 8, the frequency is 2. In case of 10, the frequency is 1. And in the following problem, the mean is given and sum of frequency is given 10. Clear? In this type of problem, sorry, that is sum not frequency, sum of frequency is given, that is 10. Find the missing frequency. I repeat, in this type of problem, either one frequency is missing, either two frequencies missing, and this type of missing frequency problem, they have provide the data in case of a given mean or in case of given the sum of frequencies given. Find the frequency mean. Suppose this type of data will be appear. First, you have to draw the tables like this. and the respective frequency should be mentioned. That is 2, the frequency is 3, for 4, the frequency is X, for 6, the frequency is Y, for 8, the frequency is 2, for 10, the frequency is 1. First, you have to calculate the sum of frequencies. That is, sum of frequency is equal to 6 plus X plus Y, because in case of missing frequency, from my side, I denoted as X for the second row, and for the third row, I denoted as Y. If you calculate the sum of frequency, that is 6 plus X plus Y. Similarly, if you calculate the fx, that is frequency into variables, 2 into 3, that is 6, 4 into 6, that is 4x, 6 into y, 6y, 8 into 2, 16, 10 into 1, 10. If you calculate the summation of fx, that is 32 plus 4x plus 6y. I repeat, first you have to arrange the x variables and their respective frequencies. If the frequency is given, if it's not, the frequency is not given, in that case you denoted as x and y for the missing frequency, or as per your wish you can put p, q, or a, b like this. Then after you proceed to calculate f into x, that is 2 into 3, 4 into x, 6 into y, that is 6y, 8 into 2, 16, 10 into 1, 10. After that, you calculate the summation of fx, that means 32 plus 4x plus 6y. So after getting all the value in this particular problem, the mean is given, that is 5.2 is given in the questions, and summation of frequency is given 10. That means summation of frequency that equals to n equals to 10. In case of missing frequency, first we solve the first part of this particular problem, that is summation of frequency equals to your number of observations, that equals to 10. That means summation of frequency we have already found 6 plus x plus y, that equals to 10. If we simplify this one to get x minus y equals to 10 minus 4, that equals, so 10 minus 6, that equals to 4. So this is your equation 1. I just highlight this one. This is your equation 1. Then after you proceed for calculation of mean, that means mean is already given. The second part, you have to go for the calculation of mean. But the thing is that in case of questions, the data given for mean, that is 5.2. So if you go for calculation of mean, the formula is known as x bar equals to summation of fx divided by summation of x. If you simplify this one, we have the mean value, that is 5.4, and summation of fx, that is 32 plus 4x plus 6y, divided by a summation of f is given, that is 10, this one. If you simplify this one, that is 32 plus 4x plus 6y, that equals to 52. Then again 4 plus 6y, that equals to 52 minus 32, that equals to 20. Because I just remove, you can say that is the different variables. The next part is that I just remove 2, that is 2x plus 3y, or combine 2. In this case, the next equation should be 2x plus 3y, that equals to 20. If you simplify this one, that is 20 by 2, that equals to 10. This is the second equation. Then after you proceed to simplify to getting the value of x, we have two number of equation, that is x plus y equals to 4, and the second equation is 2x plus 3y, that is 10. So by simplifying this equation, you can get the value of x and y. It is request to all of you that calculate the value of x and y from equation 1 and equation 2. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is your duty, just note down these notations before solving this one, because this is very important question. Each year this type of question will be appear in case of your semester examination with respect to 10 marks. I repeat, first you have to calculate the summation of frequency, but the thing is that summation of frequency is given 10. If you simplify this one, that means summation of frequency is equal to 10, or in the other form, that is 6 plus x plus y equals to 10. If you simplify this one, x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation 1. Similarly, if you calculate if you're going to solve the next one, you have to generate another equation. That means x bar or mean is given 5.2. If you go to the calculation of mean, that is summation of fx divided by summation of f, that equals to, if you simplify this one, that is 2x plus 3y, that equals to 10. We have two number of equations. Just
Sir,
calculate.
X 2 Y 2 आ रहा है sir.
What is the value of x?
2.
Both are 2.
Both are coming
Sir,
2.
x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2.
X is equal to 2 and y is 2. Okay. If you solve this one by adding 2 in the equation 1, that is 2x plus 2y, that equals to 8. If you simplify this one, y equals to 2, and put the value in equation 1, that is x plus 2, that equals to 4. If you calculate x is equal to 2, the answer is 2 for x and again 2 for y. Just highlight in bold color. Just note down. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you finish, then I will proceed for the next slide.
Done, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Moving to the next slide. Here the another example. From the following data. Okay. From the following data related to the marks scored by batch of 100 students, where the average is 39.5. Determine the missing frequency having two rows. One row for 20 to 30 and another is 60 to 70s. Calculate the missing frequency. I repeat, here mean is given. The average means mean is given 39.5. And n stand for your 100 number of students. I repeat, means equals to 39.5 and n, that is number of observation for the mark, that is 100 student is there. So n equals to your 100. So what do you do? In this case, if you go to the next slide here, the marks are given, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70. Here, these data are in continuous form. So for this continuous series of data, you need to find the mid value. That is given 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and the last one is 65. So in case of missing frequencies, for first row that is 5, for second row that is 10, for third row I give the missing frequency as x, for next row that is 4, next one is 20, next is 3, and for the last one I denoted as y. So first you have to calculate the frequencies or summation of frequency, that is, if you calculate this one, that is 42 plus x plus y. Similarly, if, after that one, you proceed for calculating that is frequency into your mid value or fx. That means 5 plus 5, 25, 10 into 15, 150, 25 into x, 25x, 4 into 35, 140s. The next one is 20 into 45, that is 900. The next one is 3 into 55, 165. And the last one is y into 65, that is 65y. If you calculate the summation of fx, that equals to 1380 plus 25x plus your 65y. Then after you proceed for calculating or making the equation 1 and equation 2. So here in this case, the mid value, or sorry, the summation of frequency is given, that is 100. So if you simplify this one, it is x plus y equals to 100 minus 42. That is equation 1. Is it clear? Suhana Mishra, are you getting the equation 1? Sushil Sahu, are you getting the equation 1? Swagatika Sahu? Swagatika Sahu? Sorochi Samal, are you getting equation 1?
Doing, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the equation for equation 1? That is x plus y
Equal to 68.
58.
58.
equal to 68. 58, 42 है ना? 58
Yes,
होगा.
58.
58, okay. Then calculate the second equation, calculate to generate the second equation. That means,
Sir, 28, sir.
which one 20?
Sir, what was the mean?
Mean is given here, na? Mean is
Sir,
given 39.5.
39.
Mean is given 39.5 equals to 1380 plus your 25x plus 65x divided by summation of x. Summation of f is given 100. Tufan Kumar Bholo, what is your answer? Are you solving the equation 1 and equation 2?
Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir.
Soumyaranjan Sahu,
Yes, sir. Solving.
Soumyaranjan Parida,
So one minute, sir. Calculate, sir.
okay. Soumyaranjan Behera,
Doing, sir.
okay, fine.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
What is your answer, Suraj?
Sir, x equal to 30, y equal to 28.
Okay, good. Pritam Bera, okay,
Doing.
x is equal to 30, y is equal to 20, good. Subhalakshmi Raut, Subhalakshmi, are you there? What is your
Yes,
answer
sir.
for x and y?
Sir, x is equal to 30 and y is equal to 28.
Okay, good. Tapan Kumar Naik, correct answer. Subhasri Jana, correct answer. Okay, I'll show that's the slide. First, as you know, as per the given data, the number of students are 100 here and mean is given 39.5. So if you go to the first or to generate the first equation, that is summation of x is equal to, summation of frequency is equal to 100 here. If you go to the table, we have got the summation of frequency, that is 42 plus x plus y, that equals to 100. If you simplify this one, x plus y equals to 58. It is the equation 1. I just highlight in bold color. Moving to generate the next one. Here mean is given 39.5, and as per the given formula, that is x bar equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f. So here mean is given 39.5 and summation of fx is equal to 1380 plus 25x plus 65y divided by 100. If you simplify this one, you get the value, that is 5x plus 13y, that equals to 514. If you simplify 5x plus 5y, that equals to 290. I just multiply 5 here. And in case of second equation, 5x plus 13y, that is 514. If you simplify this one, in this case, you got y value, that is 28, and again the X value is 30. Just note down those who not complete the particular or not solving the particular example. Shubham Pradhan, what is your answer?
Sir, calculating, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Shubham Tabang?
Yes, sir, calculating, sir. 1
And
minute.
I'm calling
Sir, X
Shubham
is
Tabang.
equal to 30, Y is equal to 28.
Okay, good. Subhasis Swai?
Yes, sir. X 30 and Y 28.
Okay, good. Shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try to solve another one. We have the mean is given 33.5 and number of observation is your 90. Find the missing frequencies. In the given frequency distribution tables, in this case we have 0 to 10, the frequency is 4, 10 to 20, frequency is 16, 20 to 30, frequency is not the frequency is missing. Similarly, 30 to 40, that is 10, and 40 to 50, the frequency is also missing. Again, 50 to 60, the frequency
Sir,
is 6.
that is
Yes.
mean ना?
That is mean.
सर सिंबल गलत है, M लिखा है.
Oh, that is X. X bar actually. Okay. Then last one is 60 to 70, the frequency is 4. Calculate the missing frequencies. Shivani Padi.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
doing answer.
Okay. Smita Sahu.
Sir, solving.
Okay, good. Simi Patra.
Sir, solving.
Okay. Okay, I will move to the next table. Those who have already written the data. Okay. Here we have, sorry, that is mean. First, calculate the mid value. 0 plus 10, that is divided by 2, that is 5. This one is 15, 25. Next one is 35, 45, 55. And the last one is 65. Then multiply f into x. First for 20. That is next one is 16 plus into your 15, 240. Is 25p or x. You can denote as your which number. Then this one is 350. So this is 45q. And this one is 55 into 6, that equals to 330. The last one is 65 into 4, that equals to 260. Okay, then after you proceed for sum of frequency, that means 4 plus 16, 20, 20 plus 10, that is 30, 30 plus 10, that is 40, 40 plus your P plus your Q. If you go to calculate the sum of effects, that equals to your, just calculate here, that is 20, just a minute, 20 plus 240 plus,
I got the answer.
what is your answer?
So x is equal to 21.75, y is equal to 28.25.
Yes.
What is your summation of effects?
So it is 1200 plus 25x plus 45y.
25, I just write here 25x, just a minute. Then the notation, this is x, this one is y. This one is 25x, 25x, this is 45y. Plus here 45y.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the answer for x?
So
So
21.75.
1 by 1.
275.
25 point?
21.
21
sir.
point?
75.
75.
Okay. In case of y,
28.25.
28.25.
28.25, sir.
okay. All of you check your answer. Okay, good. Subraj Panda, what is your answer?
Yes, sir. X is equal to 21.75, y is equal to 28.25.
Sonia Begum,
X equal to 21.75, y equal to 28.25.
okay. Okay, moving to the next topics. Okay, fine. Sitambera, good. Pragatika Sahu, Tufan Kumar Bolo, good. Okay, moving to the next one. Next topics. Just note down. The next one is measurement of dispersion. In case of the word dispersion literally means fluctuations, scatter, or you can say that is the variation in case of deviation or spread. So measure of dispersion shows the variation of an individual item from its average. What kind of average? Suppose we have individual series, suppose we have discrete series or on group series, or suppose we have continuous series. In this case, the mode of fluctuation from individual series or whether it should be discrete series or continuous series, that should be calculated through the measurement of dispersion. So if you go to the definition of measurement of dispersion, it is also known as measure of variation. And it explain the extent of scatteredness, or you can say that is the fluctuation in an observation. It measures the mean deviation about some central value. Suppose we have on group series of data along with their frequencies. By the help of measurement of dispersion, you can directly calculate the mean deviation in that particular individual item, or its average you can calculate by the help of measurement of dispersion methods. Moving to the next one, in case of method of measurement of dispersion, we have absolute, these are basically of two types. The first one is absolute measurement of dispersion. The second one is relative measurement of dispersions. So we will discuss one by one. In case of, if you go to the broad classification of your measurement dispersion, as I told, the first one is absolute measurement of dispersion. The second one is relative measurement of dispersion. Under absolute measurement of dispersion, we have the range, how to calculate the range. The second one is quarterly deviation. The third one is standard deviation. And the fourth one is mean deviation. Starting from the range, quarterly deviation, standard deviation, mean deviation, these are under absolute measurement of dispersion. If you go to the, if you move to the next one, in case of relative measurement, We have coefficient of range is there, coefficient of variation is there. The third one is coefficient of quartile deviation is there, and the fourth one is coefficient of mean deviation there. We will solve at least one problem from each method, how to calculate the different range or quartile deviation or standard deviation, even if your mean deviation belong to absolute. So first we start in case of range. So in case of range, I will move to the next slide. In case of range, as you know, the range is the simplest absolute measure of dispersion, which shows the difference between highest and the lowest value in the series. In case of your individual series, suppose a number is start from 1 to 10. In this case, if you calculate the range, that means the past value or lowest value is 1, or in case of highest value, that is 10. That means if you calculate the range, 10 minus 1, that equals to 9. Your range is 9 here. I repeat, range is the simplest absolute measure of dispersion, which shows the difference between highest and lowest value in the series. Whether should be individual series, whether should be discrete series, or whether should be continuous series. So here the formula for range, that is range equals to L minus S, where R stand for the range, L stand for maximum value, and S stand for minimum value. That is the smallest value. Just note down. Then we proceed for examples. Fine. Then moving to the next one. The next one is coefficient of range. So this is a particular relative measure of variation, or which is known as coefficient of range, basically used to compare the series. If you have more number of series, or as I told, in case of your calculating the range, whether it should be individual series or whether it should be discrete series, or we can say it's on group series or group series. In this case, you can use the coefficient of range by the help of this particular method, that is coefficient of range, that stands for CR, that equals to L minus S whole divided by L plus S. I repeat here, L minus S whole divided by L plus S. L stand for maximum value, and you consider it the large value, and S stand for minimum value or smallest value. So here is a tip, just now note down, then we'll proceed to solve a particular examples. Did you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, done, sir. Done.
Okay. Moving to solve an example in case of range. Calculate the range and its coefficient of range from the following data. Suppose we have data that is 54, 45, 16, 15, 75, 85, 28 respectively. So which is the highest value from this individual series?
85.
85.
85 is the highest value.
85.
Okay. And which one is the smallest value?
28.
15.
15 is the 15 is the smallest value.
15.
That means if you calculate the range, that means L minus S equals to 85 minus 15, that equals to 70. So that is the range. If you calculate the coefficient of a range by using the formula L minus S whole divided by L plus S, that means 85 belongs to your largest number, 15 belongs to smallest number. That means 85 minus 15 divided by 85 plus 15, that equals to 0.7. That is the coefficient of range. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Just note down in
Yes,
case
sir.
of, just make a note in case of short notes or short questions, especially in case of 2-mark questions, these type of question will be appear in case of semester exam.
Sir.
Okay, moving to solve another example. This is for your side to solve this one. Calculate the range and its coefficient of range from the following data. We have 350, 346, 400, 380, 415, 420, 390, 340, 360, 375, 450, 410, 433, 388, 445, 490. So which one is the largest value?
445, sir.
450.
450. 450 is there. That's why I mentioned so many words in case of this one is I just enlarge this particular one. This is the highest number 450. And what is the lowest number?
340.
340.
330.
Check properly.
Sorry, sir.
Which one?
340. Sir.
340.
Sir, 346. 340.
340 is the lowest number, the smallest value.
The range equal to 110.
Okay, range equal to 450 minus 340. That equals to 110. Good. So what is the value of coefficient of range here?
11 by 79.
Sir, 0.12.
Point
0.1. 0.13.
0.14.
So 0.139. That is 0.14.
Yes, sir. 0.14, sir.
0.14.
Okay, that is that
340.
0.14. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Move to next series that is known as your discrete series. Find the range and its coefficient from the range from the following data. We have X variables starting from 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, and 85 respectively. Calculate the range and its coefficient of range. Which one you will take for calculation?
So the largest number equals to the largest number mode, I think. A largest number of frequency.
Not frequency. Here frequency is not considered. You can directly take the values of X in case
Okay.
of range. Clear?
Okay,
The
sir.
frequency means there is a repetitive appearance. 5 7 बार appear किया, 15 14 बार appear किया. That is the appearance of or the value of appearance in the given series. The series that is given, that is 5 to 85. So which one is the lowest value?
So 5.
5. And highest value is 85 is given.
85.
Just calculate.
Range equal to 80, sir.
Range is good. Okay, I will show that one. Range equal to 80. And check your coefficient of range.
So 0.888.
0.88, sir.
0 point?
0.89.
So 0.89.
0.89.
0.89. 85 minus 5, that is 80.
80.
Yes, sir.
Divided by 90.
Divided by
So
90.
90. 80
That
by
is
90.
90. Okay. That equals to how much?
0.89.
0.89.
0.89. Okay. Then moving to the next one. Calculate this one. In case of continuous series, calculate the range and coefficient of range from the following details. So what is the largest value here?
100.
That is 100, and smallest value is
5.
5.
5. Your range is
95.
95. Good. Then moving to calculate the coefficient.
95 by 105, sir.
0.90.
0.90.
Okay, that is 0.90.
90.
Sir, here we need not to calculate the mid value of x, sir.
No. There is no need to calculate mid value. You just calculate. You already find from this particular table that the minimum range is given 5 and the maximum range is given 100.
Yes, sir.
It is easy to calculate because the range is already given 5 to 100 is there. So whenever you calculate that one, the range equals to the highest value from this particular series and the lowest value in the particular series. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's all from my side. There is a particular assignment for you. After this particular class, I will send this one. Any doubt from your side, you can ask.
Sir, you will send the previous one too, na?
Yes, I have already sent this one, but your PPT 4 and PPT 5, I combinedly sent today after this particular class. Is it clear?
Sir, can you show the previous slide, sir?
Okay, just a minute. This one.
Yes, sir.
सर आपने previous class record नहीं किया था क्या?
No, actually, due to some network problem, it is fluctuate, and suddenly the internet, I can say, it is cut off हो
सर
गया था.
मुझे method of grouping actually दोबारा देखना था तो
Okay,
आपको
I will. If you have doubt, you directly take some example by telephonic conversation. I will solve that one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
It's a small advice to all of you. If you find any kind of difficulties in case of decision science, you people have my WhatsApp number as well as my phone number. You can directly call me during evening hour. Okay. Anytime I will be available for solving this type of numericals. So that's all from my side. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you all.